welcome back to another rigged recap. So today was an event day. Jerome Powell, FOMC, blah, blah, blah. We show you right here in the chart when the event starts. Press conference was actually right here, 14:30. Event days are strange. And FOMC days used to be like the most epic to trade. Wall Street caught onto it and just decided to kill everyone. IV was super high. It was expensive to trade. It was mostly terrible, but there were a couple good ones and a number of things we want to point out with the rigged system. First, you come up here, volume 110.74%, strategy not clear. But the main thing to notice, right, is the bull's AMG, which means the average max gain for bull bombs, 82.60%. You're looking at IWM and SPY, volume significantly lower, and you're getting, 45, 40%. Volume equals tradability, and, you're at 110.74%, and you go 5 strikes, you go into the red. Whereas on SPY, you're at 95%, you get up to 3 strikes, and it swings back down. Now, this was garbage until the very, very end. And let's show you. You go higher and then it comes back. Really, this is just a bleed on both sides, okay? IV was so high today that I think we took like a trade here and basically got 595 something in here, and it only went up like 30%. We're working on shipping a tool that's going to tell you, hey, IV is this. It's going to be difficult to return 100% plus. It is going to take 2 strikes, 3 strikes, whatever. But it was doable. And here is where. We actually walked everyone through this live on Discord. So you have the statement drop right here, and like everyone, the robots redline it, blah, 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 blah. But the thing to point out is we did not get any alerts until after the press conference, which is right here, 14:30. Right? So you're not getting any option alerts there. And all that is algorithmic terrorism. Looks like it's going past 595. It doesn't. Oh, it doesn't. And then it nukes, right? Right here to 594. And if you're just like looking at it, you're like, oh my gosh, this is going to go down. This is it. This is the sell-off. It's been long overdue. But what do you notice here is one, let's just go to bulls only. We get a ton, not a ton, we get one bull swing. And a bull swing means that, hey, prices come down recently, and this wins if price swings back up. You have a 37.50% win rate, no probability. But it is a perfect trade, nearly perfect. You would have wanted a little bit more. Thought we were going to push to 597 or even 600, but that didn't happen. So you were able to get into the bull swing, which is like new option flow, right? So Wall Street at 1443 said, hey, I'm going to drop 300K on buying calls or selling puts. Everyone else thinks it's going down. They know it's going back up. You also get KTR filling right here. And what that means is for these 3, 1, 2, 3, for these 3 alerts, the average drawdown for the 595 call option triggered right here. So you're getting a combination of good things. You're getting KTR fills, which is telling you, hey, when this thing wins, this is typically where it draws down to. And it matches with the bull swing alert. And you get it, right? We get up here, right into the yellow, 3 strikes. It doesn't really do much. It looked and it felt like we were going to fly. We lost like $50, something like that, trying 597 calls. But this is one of those things where like, hey, if it's going to go, it just goes. There was plenty of time to get out up here. because once you get into the section that says warning, bull risk, if you don't fly past it, it's coming back down. And they crushed people. Like the last 10 minutes have been ridiculous for maybe the past 2 months. You crush people, absolutely kill everyone in 596 calls, and then, close it right above. I mean, you're not paying out 595 puts. You are not paying out 596 calls. That is Wall Street crushing people and totally winning. IWM. Someone asked today in the Discord, like, hey, should I just buy 240 call at the start of the session? Generally a bad idea. What is this? What is this? Well, a couple things. One, you're staying at the blue line. You go up a little bit, you come back down. Volume's low. The outline of the chart is red. It is going to be bad. Okay? And that's the only thing to get into your head is when this is red, the outline is red, it is not going to be easy. You can follow all these things, right? Because if you took bulls below the blue, I mean, you made some money here, you made money here, you made money here, but it's not going to be easy. Can't open the session and think hey, we're going to go to 240 when volume is terrible and IV was super high. If you go to a day like yesterday, IWM volume 207%. Well, what happens? You go down and then you fly right back to the blue and you're getting 1, 2, 3 strikes. That's amazing. That's full send. You go to the 5th. Oh, what happens? The chart outline is blue. And guess what? It goes up and then it just keeps going. Closing at 224, which is 5 strikes up. Coming back to today, this is red. This is terrible. It looked like it was going up, comes back to the blue. Looks like it's going up, comes back to the blue. Looks like it's going down, you get below the 236 strike, comes back to the blue. The blue line is like a magnet, and that's what we expect to happen whenever this is nightmare mode, and it's got a beautiful fuchsia, whatever kind of red outline there. Let's look at the Q. Volume was higher. We got a much bigger pump. This was interesting because, basically just waiting for FOMC, you get one alert that gets absolutely smashed. The historical win rate is 0% on that thing, which is understandable because basically, once you get this high up, it doesn't really matter what the volume is. It is very rare for price to come back down to the blue line once you're getting, $4.22 higher. You didn't get any. There's no alerts here until it gets up higher. That happens. That's why down here in the feed, we just have all 0 DTE on. We saw the bull swing. I mean, look, you're getting 1442, KTR, bull swing, KTR, and that one, right here. Last thing to cover, volume equals tradability. Volume equals tradability. Tesla, man, this thing behaved nicely. What do you have at the open? Let's look at the first hour. You go a little bit below the blue, you return to the blue, and you're getting the bull bombs. This is a perfect trade. I know the win rate only says 11.86%. That's kind of garbage, but what happens? Volume is going up, increasing. I mean, it practically matches the price line, right? And then you get up to 3 strikes, 297.50. Goes up, comes back down, basically closes right there. But if you're taking this, you're running it to 3 strikes, there's no pullback, absolutely amazing. And it's like, dude, look at all the bullish flow in here, right? Wall Street's betting that Tesla's going to go up. The contracts expire tomorrow. And they absolutely crushed it. Coin, very similar. It's going to move a little bit more because it's crypto. It's crypto related. Same thing. You go below the blue at the open. That moment you bounce back and return, if you get a bull bomb at that point in time, beautiful. Beautiful. Go down. They kill people who are chasing it because it's the open. Boom. And it's the exact same setup on Tesla, right? Because, okay, you go up, or you go down, you go up, you're like at the blue, you get the alert, and you just win. That's copy trading Wall Street. That's using rigged AI. Tomorrow is Friday. Everything is 0 DTE. Should be super, super fun, but who knows? Who knows? Follow the system and win, or I don't know what else. Have a good day.